Start your journey with a Jane Bank Small Business Loan with small business loans with as little as $10,000 and up to $4 million.
The time is 6 a.m.
We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives, displacement, and in some cases, absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. ISA Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. Even in times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport.
Listen, good morning, Sunrisers. We're coming in hot this Friday morning. Why are we coming in hot? Well, you have to be blazing when you have a co-host like moi. Her name is Yendi, Y-E-N-D-I, not W-E-N-D-Y. It's Y-E-N-D-I, not W-E-N-D-Y. Why are you in Yendi? You're looking so beautiful this morning.
Thank you, IT. I have a confession. As he started spelling a while ago, I had to really focus. I'm like, wait, what is he spelling? And then I caught him at the second one. I have a confession. Hi, IT. I love this get-up. You look great.
You
yes.
Oh, that's an endorsement coming from you.
Yes. I have a question, though. I have a question for you. When you attended St. George's College, did you wear a tie at any point?
No.
You didn't do sixth form?
No. Yeah, I did sixth form, but I didn't. It wasn't
But
tie.
there's no
It was
tie.
crest. Yeah, we wore crest.
I was just wondering how they would feel about this tie and the length and the...
Yeah.
Do you think they would understand the fashion of it all? You think they would get it?
I don't think that it's short of something, but it's not. It is not short of anything.
I like it. It's very cool.
Big Delroy Escoffrey, a very good morning to you, sir. Boy, I said, Escoffrey, so I'm going to wear a t-shirt. I said, no. What you're going to do, you're going to wear a shirt, and you're going to wear a tie, a black tie, and just throw on any color hat. You know?
You know what I love? When you do your impressions, your impersonations, they're great. You and Dennis actually are two of the best I know at it.
Dennis, I am just discovering Dennis. Dennis, let me tell you something. You ready?
He's very good at it.
You're ready for TV, for skits, for sketches, for characterization.
Yeah.
Trust me, on point.
Yeah, for you, Dennis, when you bring back your show.
Hey! That's what's up, Dennis. You ready?
Let me just plant a little seed. You better bring back that
Dennis,
show.
On a word, Dennis, we send for you with the escort service. You know, we got the link up. You know what I mean?
Are you going to call him to escort himself?
Listen, this is a private joke. International Volunteer Day is today. What is that? International Volunteer Day is building into neighborhood, providing helping hand for those who are in need, you know? And we see it active now.
Yes.
There are a lot of volunteers now, but this day, it's a day that we work together in teams. You know, there is no I in team. You know that others will benefit. You know, I like the idea of volunteer. It means that you're working. There's no pay, and you know, and you give off your time and your service to others, and that's such a beautiful and an honorable thing to do to volunteer, especially now.
Again, you know, it's almost like if you can find anything positive to come out of crisis situations, I would say one of the highlights of the post-Melissa recovery for me has been seeing all the people volunteering and even how fulfilling it is for myself. And when I'm looking at others, it feels beautiful to witness. It literally feels like, yeah, man, we really are such a solid team when we're united.
Absolutely.
It's beautiful to witness.
And it's attractive to others. You know, others. We are volunteering here in Jamaica, and we have attracted and appealed to those who are far outside of the country, overseas, and they have come to volunteer their services. I just heard that former president of U.S. President Bill Clinton is here too. He has come for the same purpose. So many persons have come. Jamaica is the highlight, you know, for a good reason too. You know, I'm happy that people love us so much. So we need to love ourselves like how people love us. Yeah. If we love ourselves like how people love us, oh my God, we will be that country. Advancing the welfare of the whole human race.
100%. I do believe that another side of it as well that we should always be mindful of is while we are down and in need, we ought to never lose sight of the hand that is reaching down to help us and from whence it comes. So I think we also have to be so mindful that all help is well intended, and that the help doesn't have, you know, ulterior motives that could be beneficial to them and detrimental to our future. We have to be really mindful, I believe. And I'm not saying that to do anything other than say that when we are down and we're desperate to come out of trying situations, we have to be really careful not to lose our discernment.
That's true.
I'll say that.
Discernment is very, very important.
Today is also World Soil Day.
What is that?
Soil, as a tree hugger myself, let me tell you what it is.
Tell me what it is.
Soil is without a doubt one of the most significant parts of the ecosystem, So it contributes to people's food, water, and energy, and it plays an important part in reducing the impact of climate change. And obviously that's significantly important to us in the Caribbean and Jamaica, So soil is also a vital part of life. So the day was created by the International Union of Soil Sciences, who even knew that was a union, with the aim to celebrate and raise awareness, about the importance of soil as a critical component of the natural system and as a vital contributor to human well-being.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
My wife, she bought some seeds for callaloo and for pepper, and she had it in a sachet on the kitchen table. 1 week passed, nothing happened. 2 weeks passed, nothing happened. 3 weeks. And then she took it out of the sachet and planted it in the soil. Callaloo come up. What am I saying? The importance of soil.
Without the soil, not a thing could happen for the seeds.
She could have kept it on the table till a morning. Nothing would happen. And seeds, it's live seed, but it needs the soil to nurture it. Who is your soil, or where is your soil? What is your soil?
Does your environment help you to grow? Hey, come now, man.
Come now, man.
I you know, so this is a message, it's a word, you know.
It's a word this morning.
Hey.
Who is your soil? What is your soil? Is it working? Because sometimes, you know, and the importance is to recognize that without the soil, you can't grow.
Correct. Require the right environment.
The right environment, you know.
And my daughter would have said, clock that.
Clock that, you know.
You're going with yourself, You're going with yourself.
That's why my mother said, show me a company. I tell you who you are. It's my company. With it on TV.
You know something I wish we did more of? I used to do it. I actually started doing it just prior to COVID lockdowns. And I have since stopped doing it only because of where I currently live. But I can't wait. You see when I have yard, when I now go see me, you know. He's really farmer diesel, you know. Hey.
Farmer diesel.
But you know what I really wish more of us did was compost. Composting is so important.
You get the banana skin and all those things.
Anything that is organic material, organic waste material. So fruits, vegetables, peels, anything like those. And eggshells. Eggshells are, them full full of nutrients, you know.
For those who are watching and say, compost, what you in there talk about? What's the function of compost? What's the benefit of compost? Educate them.
So instead of throwing everything into your waste,
Right.
these particular things that are organic materials, you put them together in a separate bucket, literally outside, and you cover it, and you allow the worms to work it, you allow things to break it down, and then this actually breaks down and becomes soil.
Woo!
Yeah, and you add it to your garden, and it's natural nourishment for the callaloo carrying plant, for the little tomatoes sweat in the little backyard.
Yes.
Trust
so even
me.
though you think it's waste, remember, you know, it has to die first before it can bloom.
Vital nutrients are still found in the peels, trust me. Look it up. If you have never heard of it, look up composting today and see how you could get involved in composting and the benefits for even your own little family and your own little backyard garden. Trust me, look it up.
Now, speaking of compost, a similar word is compose. Let me compose myself as I stand in this place and so richly decorated by the expert diva decorator, interior decorator, that's Karen Booker.
Yes.
Our very festive Christmas set is set by Karen Booker. I tell you something. Oh,
look at these little gnomes.
You know, it must take talent to really select the different colors, to coordinate them together and give a kind of Christmassy feel.
It definitely requires having an eye. Because you can't fling things together, you know, it does don't look good, but to make it do what it's supposed to do, it requires an eye. So shout out to Karen Booker. If you want to find her, you can check her out. You can get some inspiration, get some hacks.
Yes.
Head on over to Karen at Karen Design Diva Booker, or you can give her a call at 876-421-6298.
And I mentioned this earlier. Former U.S. President Bill Clinton is on the island as discussions around the best route for recovery following Hurricane Melissa continues right here in Jam Rock, Jamaica, J-O-Y, Maker.
J-O-Y, Jamaica. Oh look, I like giving the shoulders.
Oh, what animal is this?
I don't know, but
it's a leopard,
I know,
it's a cougar,
I am
it's a
giving
tiger.
chicken. You know them what you call that rooster again? You know that fowl we have one comb we go so? You know where I talk?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, somebody help me. You guys know that chicken?
Come on,
and he almost looks like a lion, like he has a mane around his face like this. Pat? Silky? You found it?
Silky.
Oh, there you go. No, tell me, isn't it giving silky?
Silky.
Look at that. Oh, silky now. It's giving silky.
Hey, you know, so when I was growing up...
Our producer Sasha says I look like a turkey. I'm going to go with silky. She says turkey. Either which way, we're going to worky.
Worky, turkey.
Sorry, what were you saying?
I was saying, Senna Somerville and Christopher Issa, I was saying, let me say it again, Senna Somerville and Christopher Issa made history in Misano, Italy.
Oh, really?
Italy as the first Jamaican to win a European racing championship. Let me just stop. Just stop. Hold on a second.
Very cool.
You know, we've been down just for a short while after that stadium visit, Reggae Boys. Anyway, after that, let me just say, there's so many things have happened in sport to just lift us up.
The bobsledders have done a fantastic job. Here comes now, racing champions.
The basketballers.
Hey, do you know that our ranking went up? You know we're now ranked number 5?
Whoa!
Jamaica's ranking went up. You guys, hey. Come on, man. Reggae Girls 18 love.
18.
Come on, man.
You know what I mean? You see, well, Reggae Girls, them score for themselves and score somewhere the boys should have scored.
You know, so I can't bother with you. What you say about the people in Italy now? Tell me about them. I can't bother with IT.
They use their win and the attention it garnered to raise awareness and funds for Hurricane Melissa relief efforts in Jamaica. So the win wasn't just a win, you know, to celebrate a win. They use it as a platform to attract and appeal to persons to help us in our hurricane relief efforts.
You know what I love? I love how we really seem to be, because everything that we just spoke about are atypical of Jamaica. There's not what you typically hear. It's not track.
No.
It's not cricket.
No.
It's not...
Yeah, it's not football.
Hey, we say basketball. You guys, I don't know if you guys know, but we beat Puerto Rico twice. Not
Twice.
Once, you know? Twice. A buzzer beater in the first match.
92 to 90, the buzzer beater, and then 97. You know what I mean? So that we're saying, hey, it wasn't a fluke.
Wasn't a fluke. And I don't know if you know, but in FIBA, you see Puerto Rico, I don't know, joke side, you know? Hey.
Listen. Anyway.
It's a big deal.
Anyway.
I'm excited to see that.
Anyway, celebrities set to bubble the pot for charity for the 10th staging of Sun City FM Bubble the Pot Celebrity Charity Cook-Off. This exciting competition will take place on Friday, December 5. That's today at Jones Supermarket, 68 Newland Road in Portmore. Send catching 1 p.m. to 5. Some of the celebrities include Maestro Don, Chef A&G, that's Angie, and Hezron, and also Christmas Comedy Cook-Up.
No, it's me supposed to say that one. I'm me supposed to say that one. Guess what else is coming up? Christmas Comedy Cook-Up. You know about that show?
I heard it's a good, it's a funny show. And I also heard that this year, the show has a special donate button. 100% of the donations will go food for the poor.
How do you know about this show?
Someone told me. In fact, I heard that today early bird tickets go on sale 1 weekend only.
You know,
It's
really
late for
funny?
early bird.
It's so funny. There's a guy on the poster who looks just like you.
Oh, people say that all the time. People make this mistake all the time.
Look at your doppelganger.
Yeah, hey, listen, man. Laughter is G-U-A-R-A-N-T-E-E-D. What did I just spell?
Hey, really? Did the spelling be a schooling?
I was a spelling bee champion.
I know. I absolutely believe you.
Let me say happy birthday to one of her CVM nieces, Kiana Marshall. She's the daughter of Wayne Marshall. We share birthdays. So coming up from your dad, Wayne Marshall, we say a happy birthday to you. Tiana, we're going to have a big party. We're going to have a spectacular
Happy birthday,
and amazing
girl.
birthday. Yes, bright girl too, you know.
By the way, just so you guys know, Wayne Marshall is actually a person who works here at CVM. We're not talking about choo-choo-choo.
Yes.
We are talking about the original Wayne Marshall. Oh, man.
And Richie Stevens' birthday today, I remember. Yes, Richie.
Also selling a birthday today is former Prime Minister, Orrit Bruce Golding.
Yes,
His birthday is today. Happy birthday, Sir G. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
And people, we say it already, not because they were born in December. Don't tell them, say, this is a Christmas gift. Separate the birthday from the Christmas gift. All right, just saying. All right?
Well, I'm going to also say, by the way, just so you guys know, we have a very special birthday, but it's not today. The very, very, very special birthday we have is actually coming tomorrow, because tomorrow is the birthday of the one, the only, ITY. Go, shawty.
You must have seen
we're gonna party like it's a birthday. We're gonna
with the Money Master, and the girl said, "Let's go!" Yende, thank you so much.
Happy birthday. We're gonna have a great show because it's his birthday tomorrow, but we celebrate. I'm getting busy. Look at this.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Great show coming up. The docious. IT precocious.
Yeah, right now, Yende.
Back to Sunrise is coming up.
Right now.
Tomorrow is IT's birthday. IT's birthday.
Cleaning up, giving back after Hurricane Melissa. As you can see, some of the man them might take up some stuff.
The time by Sagicor is
6:15 a.m.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.
Azan Super Center, you can fill your Christmas list.
It's a Christmas to remember. Get ready for Azan Super Center's Super Sale. From now until Christmas, experience the sale event of the season with incredible savings and super deals. Come get your decorations, lights, gifts, and all the best items for your Christmas party. Why ship when you can shop at Azan Super Center? Our sale is on, so why wait for freight?
So this Christmas, make it Azan Super Center for sure.
It's a lifestyle.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orville Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's a live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah.
Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more.
It's 6:22 a.m. in Sunrise Studio. We are live. We're coming live to you wherever you are. And I say a very, 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 very good morning to you. Again, Headlines is up. Listen, this is the point on a Friday we say we want good news. It matters not who brings the good news. In fact, this morning it will be delivered by none other than Ronaldo, big baller.
Oh,
Adams.
He told you to say that?
Something like that. Good
Big
morning.
baller, Ronaldo.
Good morning.
Something like
Tell
that.
our position you play.
Repeat?
Tell our
left back. Centre back / left back.
Yeah,
really?
Yes, I think.
So you're a defender?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I think I would have been perfect in the Reggae Boys squad, but you know,
Yeah.
we'll leave that for another day and time. We'll leave that for another day and time. Are we ready for the headlines?
We're ready for you to take off your cleats and put on your news.
All right. All right, let's get right into it. Applications are open for SLB Debt Reset Program. Applications are now open for the Students' Loan Bureau SLB Debt Reset Program, which will run between December 1, 2025 and April 30, 2026, offering significant waivers for delinquent accounts and credits for those in good standing. SLB Executive Director Nikisha Walsh noted the program is an opportunity for students to reduce their loan balances, eliminate accumulated charges, and establish a more sustainable path towards repayment. The SLB has 35,360 active loans, of which 8,890 are current, 11,634 are delinquent, and 14,836 loans are in moratorium. After enrolling in the Debt Reset Program, students become eligible for a further 2% reduction in their interest rate if they remain current for 1 year. Walsh also announced that the SLB will also reward students who continue to make their payments despite financial challenges with $100,000, which will be applied to their account. The reward is about encouraging them to continue to be good customers.
You know, the word saying all things work together for good. Not all good things, you know. all things, even the bad things. I know somebody was saying, thank you, Jesus, for Melissa. Because if I never Melissa, we wouldn't get the reprieve, the waiver, and I'm alone. So I'm saying, boy, I tell you, out of a bad thing, a horrible thing, has come some good things, and the good things keep coming. I know you're watching and saying, yes, IT, yes, IT.
Well, I also think things that are indicative of a progressive nation is responses like these. So I believe strongly in understanding the needs of your citizens and responding accordingly. So, okay, here's a need. Funding for your education.
Right.
Let us put a system in place that allows you to access funding. And, okay, it comes at an interest rate, but this is how we do this. Okay, crisis has happened. It can't be business as usual. How do we respond in a crisis situation where people's employment has been impacted, people's ability to repay has been impacted? What adjustments do we need to make? To me, this is healthy. This is how healthy, functioning societies are supposed to operate.
Absolutely.
And obviously, when you get a relief system like this, the ideal thing to do is respond accordingly, make the payments because it works out better for you and for the entity that lends money so that the next set of people can access money for their education.
And be responsible too.
Yeah, man.
Because let me tell you something, when you help someone who is in need, they'll never forget you when they're in need again.
I think. You know, something
It's reliable. You can go again.
We can go again.
All right.
These ITs.
$50 million US sugar factory investment to revitalize Clarendon. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Andrew Holness, has welcomed a $50 million US investment by Tropical Sugar Company Limited to re-establish commercial-scale sugar production in Clarendon. The new state-of-the-art vertically integrated facility with an installed capacity of 50,000 metric tons will be situated in Chesterfield, near to the former Moneymusk estate. Construction is set to begin in January 2026 and is expected to be completed within approximately 18 months. The factory will be built on approximately 11,000 acres of former sugar lands leased from Sugar Company of Jamaica Holdings, SCJH Limited, and is expected to generate roughly 2,000 direct and indirect jobs, providing new opportunities to farmers, heavy equipment operators, factory workers, transport providers, and small business owners. The Prime Minister said the investors had indicated that Tropical Sugar Company Limited will have the capability to produce brown and white sugar, jaggery and molasses, use bagasse for energy, and process sugar for other byproducts and derivatives. Good news.
I would say so. I personally love the idea of being able to manufacture. I'm one of those people that believes strongly in manufacturing. I've gone to an estate and seen a sugar factory in action to produce rum, to produce sugar and rum, and I marvel
at the process.
Honestly. So when I hear things like these, I am pleased. I'm sure people who live in the area are pleased because it means work opportunities. It also means additional investment. It means that we're producing, which means supply for locals, options for export, good for the economy is what it says to me.
Yeah, this is absolutely the Feel Good Friday headline.
And it's not even the Feel Good Friday headline.
What is the Feel Good Friday headline?
All right. IT, ready?
All right.
Clearly.
Let's go.
He's begging for
China boosts Jamaica's hurricane recovery with medical support. A major Chinese medical mission is now underway in Jamaica, with the arrival of one of China's largest humanitarian medical teams and more than US $4 million in disaster relief for communities hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa. The Chinese Navy hospital ship Silk Road Ark arrived at the Montego Freeport terminal on Monday for a 3-day medical mission. The vessel is staffed with over 100 doctors, nurses, and medical technicians, offering free treatment to Jamaicans dealing with storm-related injuries and chronic health conditions. Following its visit to Montego Bay, the ship will sail to Falmouth in Trelawney to extend its outreach efforts. Chinese ambassador to Jamaica, Wang Jingfeng, says the mission highlights the strong partnership between the two countries and China's ongoing commitment to supporting Jamaica's rebuilding process.
I'm so happy that we heard just last week the JDF say every road, every access is now available to anybody. Because there are some persons who are in Kingston who are saying, hey, I'm heading to Montego Bay because that's expert free medical service being offered. And if you miss it in Montego Bay, you can go to Trelawney. That's good news. You know, listen, medical expenses are huge, especially for chronic illnesses.
And especially unforeseen circumstances. So you would typically get access to certain clinics or access to certain spaces, and now all of a sudden your clinic is gone because the hurricane moved your clinic. And then what does that mean for you and your treatment? But I often think, you have some spaces where the work is loud, the performance is outward, it's on show, it's on display. Everyone sees it because it has to be seen. For example, the Ministry of Transportation and Technology and Energy, that is loud. That work is very obvious and apparent. You see the work of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. It's a silent work. It's a silent work that often involves discussions behind closed doors. It involves bilateral relations, conversations that we are typically never privy to.
That's the result.
But what we do see is the result. And what we are seeing in a lot of the response is the relationship that we've been able to establish and maintain with other countries. This is a part of why we're seeing what we're seeing in the responsiveness of other nations. And I'm minded to say, I think we have to be really grateful and understand how important that dynamic is and the impact it has on us.
That's so true. I often don't think about them. I mean, I confess. And that's so true that we have to recognize that the work that they are doing and have done.
100%.
We reap what we sow, and we are reaping exactly what have been sown.
It's the minister's ability to pick up the phone and call and say, I need you. And people say, how much? When?
Because of the relationships.
Because of the relationships established. It's critically important not to always be an antagonist. It's difficult, because the world is what the world is. Sometimes it's hard to take a firm stance in something because you have to be mindful of how it's a chess game. It's a chess game. It's not checkers. So, interesting.
That's good though.
Yeah.
Thank you. You brought some good news.
Thank you. Of course. That's the aim, That's the aim.
When I say no, can't do that. No, can't.
What you need to do is start bring some good sports news too.
Unfortunately, that I don't have direct control over that. So maybe our children and the generations after that will bring Jamaican sports to the forefront.
No man,
of the
it
world.
can't be so far. It can't be so far, Ronaldo.
Why?
No man, it's not that far. I rebuke that. It's not that far. We're gonna see it in our lifetime.
Hey,
listen,
let's see if the reggae boys can do it in March.
Speed up.
The reggae girl.
So much.
The reggae girls are getting it done.
Oh yeah, man.
So
2027 we are going to Women's World Cup. I don't even question that. We're going.
New Caledonia. We're coming.
We're coming. Hey, what you are going to wallop New Caledonia?
I would hope so.
And look here, in March, Congo no feel good a day there. Just calling sick.
What we need to do is all of us need to go to Mexico. The whole of it. Everybody who was in stadium on November 18. We need to go to Mexico.
We don't have a visa.
And we don't need visa to go to Mexico. We need to find them hotel. And we need to make nice the whole night. So they can't sleep.
Are you going to pay for this trip?
I mean, we didn't say all of that, but that's all the time we have for news. Well, headlines rather. That's the headlines for you. Ronaldo, I guess I'm going to say thank you.
Something like that.
Well, I think, do we see you again at 7?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yeti doesn't want to fund our Mexico trip, guys. Just
listen, if you start budgeting now, you have 3 months. You can make it. All right, so after the break, we'll get our sorrel bubbling in the kitchen. You don't want to miss that. IT is going to make sorrel. Hey. Me? You ever make sorrel yet?
Sorry for you.
It's going to be such a sorry morning.
Sorry for you.
Sorry for you. IT, you put the room in the sorrel?
Yes, I put a little tip, but not too much going on. You can know it.
Matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.
You good, Mark? No, I know. From what day me I have these terrible heartburns. I don't know why. What kind of food you eating? To tell you the truth, I mostly eat fast food. I live alone and I'm too busy for cook my youth. That's your problem. You're eating too much processed food and building up trans fats. Trans fats? What that? Trans fats is a type of fats in a processed foods like fried chicken, fries, donuts, and them things there. So how that cause heartburn? So eating trans fats can cause heartburn or acid reflux. So if you don't stop eating or cut back on the amount you eat, things can get worse. Like what? You can get heart attacks, stroke, type 2 diabetes, or even die. But fats and oils no important for eat, my youth. Yes, but the healthy kind in a vegetable aisle, nuts, seeds, and fish. Okay, no, I'm gonna switch up my diet starting today. Just remember to balance it out with your fresh fruits, vegetables, and ground provision.
A message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
There's something special about our Jamaican people. Even through the toughest of time, you find a reason to smile. And here at Digicel, we take our inspiration from you. That's why we're partnering with every single Jamaican. We're gifting a smile to our brothers and sisters who need it most. So Christmas will look different this year. We're hitting the road, we're reconnecting with our customers, we're gifting a smile, and we're restoring hope. We are relentless, and we will never stop showing up for you.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives, displacement, and in some cases, absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. ISA Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. Even in times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport.
Turbulence to future, I'm going to end that CVM. See it happen. We've got the love others are searching for. I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. I could have been one of the most notorious. Keep it royal. Give thanks and praise for life. Thank you very much. Go bang! Bam, bam.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
All right, well, it's Friday, and the weekend has officially begun. Well, just about, almost, a couple more hours to go. But with Christmas just 20 days away, what better way to usher in another weekend leading up to the 25th with a nice tall glass of sorrel.
So real.
Well, this morning, Ite and I bring the taste of Christmas straight into the studio to make one of Jamaica's most beloved holiday traditions. And, well, from preparing the fresh hibiscus petals and adding the classic spices like ginger and cloves and pimento.
Oh, by the way, because of what happened recently, the actual ginger was blown away. So we have ginger extract.
I'm so glad that you made that very clear for us. Bless your heart. Well, we're going to be talking a little bit about, our family traditions and so on and so forth. And, the perfect way to brew the perfect Christmas brew. So, Ite, have you made sorrel before?
I have never made sorrel before, but I've tasted it time and time again.
Oh, you like your sorrel?
I like it. You have to put a little tip of in there. You understand? And kind of bring up the taste.
Everybody. Adult grape juice.
Yeah. But ginger is very important in the sorrel too.
It does make
it
a huge difference. But here's my question now. How you like your ginger? You want a little bit of ginger or you want taste the ginger? You want it ash?
No, I don't want. Not too much. Too much. It's like some people cook and put too much pepper, like you can't even taste the food.
Taste the food again. I don't love it.
Don't love it. Yes.
So,
here we go.
What you do, you have about, based on this packet, you can use about half a gallon of water, right? And typically, I would have washed this separately.
Yes.
But this here is for display purposes only. And so unfortunately,
we don't have any water.
We're going to trust that the boiling of the water will cut out any...
No, in fact, Caribbean Dreams, it is washed before.
Pre-washed. It actually is pre-washed.
Yes.
But you know how we stay already.
Go on again.
All right, so we have the half a gallon of water boiling, and you add your whole pack of sorrel. So you like fresh sorrel or dry sorrel? Or you
I like fresh sorrel.
Yes, I do a combination.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I will do the dry sorrel first, and then I put the fresh sorrel, and then...
Then can simmer. And when it start come up and, and you see the color and the consistency, it start get thick and,
Add in some cloves.
And get excited.
Add in some pimento. And this is our
cloves,
ginger extract, because as Ite just explained,
yes, it has been
ginger that could smell that. A little ginger.
So then there is
and then what's that?
The thing.
I don't know what you're talking about. We can't.
The thing.
No, but that don't boil,
That don't. Oh, you put it at the end.
Come on, man. So this now. You bring this to a boil, and when you bring this to a boil now, you turn off, you put your pot low on simmer and cover it. And when I done, you smell that?
Yeah.
You smell that?
Yeah.
Oh, the aroma. You guys smell that? Come here. Here you go. Come. Here you go. Give me back this shot. We said this shot. Right here. So.
Yes.
This.
Yeah.
Smell that?
Yeah.
There you go. So they will cover that now, and I personally let mine sit overnight.
Oh, till the morning.
Till the morning.
So like you make it marinate.
So you see when that finish now, you strain it off, and when you strain it off now, that's when now you sweeten it.
What's the sweetness with?
I personally use brown sugar.
Brown sugar?
Use brown sugar. That's when you can put in a little red wine.
A little red wine in it.
And you put in a little white rum. And then here's the tea now.
Remember she said a little, yeah.
But I separate out some for my children. We don't go lie to
Yes, you know.
We don't want to mash up their bread. And then also now, I cut some fresh ginger. And maybe this size.
Yeah.
And just drop that into my glass too, my jar.
When it done?
And guess what else now? You take a couple rice grain. Promise you.
Why you do the rice grain?
5 rice grain. And drop it in there too, because that helps with the fermentation. Come now, man.
Saying to me, Yende,
Hey,
man.
come now, man.
No,
so then when you
sir.
go so now, you open your sorrel ear. Oh, come now, man. And the sorrel goes so.
Mr. O, I see. I see. If you don't know who Mr. O is, Yende will tell you.
Then now, so the rice grain is in there, the little piece of ginger in there, and now we already boiled it with the pimento, you know. But then now, you're going to take a little bit of pimento, just
Fresh.
so you know. The fresh pimento, you know, just so. And drop that in it too. You understand?
That's at the end.
At the end, when you strain it off and putting it in your jar, where you're storing it, in your glass bottle in your fridge. So I personally prefer to store it in something glass than plastic, personally.
Right,
That's
right. So you can see it. Yeah. It's better to because I mean, when it's in the glass, it don't take the, some things take the container,
the essence of it.
The essence of it. It's independent of the container.
Let me ask you something. What are some Christmas traditions in your home that you guys do now leading up to Christmas?
Well, definitely, I don't know. Red peas, let me just say that you have walked with us for the entire year, but, it's time for gunga peas to step in. We don't say a little goodbye. We'll check you back in January because...
Goodbye, red peas.
Yes.
Here comes gunga.
It's gunga peas time, you know what I mean? But you did a good job explaining it and showing me how it's done.
Oh, here comes it's boiling. Just give this a little bit of a stir.
You see the steam?
You guys know that sorrel is actually a part of the hibiscus family, right? Did you know that?
Tell me more.
Yeah, sorrel is a part of the hibiscus family. They're actually cousins, funny enough. And I did not discover that until I was an adult. I went to Mexico and I saw a tea that was called Jamaican hibiscus. And I was like, huh? When me taste it, I said, but this tastes like sorrel. So I looked it up and I realized that it's a part of the hibiscus family.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
So sorrel is actually very good for you, But we have to be very careful not to do too much sweetener and too much alcohol.
Right.
The sorrel itself, just like this, without any sweetening, we can actually drink as tea. And I feel like we should start to introduce it.
Like tea, like
tea, yes. It's very
sorrel
good
tea.
for you. Yeah, man.
I like it, Yende. Smell good, yes.
Bubble, butter, bubble. Bubble, butter, bubble. Bubble, butter, bubble.
Listen. That's how we do it on a Friday. Now listen, hold on to your imaginary sorrel. In fact, if you want some, you can come down to CVM TV. We'll have the sorrel for you. In fact, when you're coming...
Come to the sorrel Monday morning.
No, you can come today. When you're coming, they can bring a little thing so we can put it in our box at the front there, for, those people out at West, or family or friends, or family, So we're hitting pause right now for a break. But second say, because we're going to come back with REACT. Yende calls it React. I call it Reek. Coming up. Stay with us.
Looking to boost performance and profitability? Let Return on Investment Consulting Limited turn strategy into success. We deliver AI-powered reporting, KPI management, and strategic planning services that work. From software to certification, empower your executives to drive success. Email us at info@roicltd.com or call us today. Return on Investment Consulting Limited. Strategy, performance, results.
Yeah, man, this is Nadine Sutherland, cause we triumphant, because we not stay down, we not go down. Stop one like we are, cause we triumphant. Yeah, this is Nadine Sutherland, beat up Rockers TV with Urchin.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.
Very good morning. I want to say quickly to my birthday twin, Tina Matalan, who celebrates her birthday tomorrow. Thank you. A very good morning to you and the entire KFC family. Andrew, it's not your birthday, all right? So I want to say thank you. And this segment, the React segment, is sponsored by KFC. I remember laughter is medicine.
Yes,
you know,
man.
a merry heart does good like medicine, and a broken spirit drieth the bones. And we don't want any broken spirit in here, all right? So it's like medicine, that means it's the doctor. No, the doctor prescribing it, which means a dose of React to lift your spirits, bring laughter into you, and you will release those good, feel-good hormones, the serotonin and the oxytocin and the, what's the other one?
I'm already start laughing now. Because I wonder where you're going.
All right, so
I love IT so much.
Let's see the videos. The first one, no. Hold on, by the way, me and Yendi, if it's not funny, we don't laugh.
No, I can't pretend. You don't know that's about me already.
We don't pretend the laughter.
And you know, say me love to laugh anyway. Me laugh easy, you know, say if I don't laugh, you know, say it not funny.
All right, so now it's time for a prescription to be filled. First video. No, that connect.
I think.
If you laugh, you say yes. I mean that.
I'm telling you something.
You know, before you tell me, you know, I've never heard somebody, if I ask them, you're comfortable with salary, you have a good salary? No, someone needs some more. I never hear somebody say, yes, I'm good, I'm okay.
It's because you're not talking to the right people.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, but I go to a lot of corporate functions and I say, all people are happy with their salary, make some noise. No noise. No. Maybe like bonus.
Why?
Hey, bonus, is that tough bonus period?
It's very tough. It's tough because what you really are going to do. Because what would have been the bonus has been going to be helping. So what you really are, why? Anyway, me like that video there. I would love to know the origins of it. What was that man originally screaming about?
Yeah.
Was that supposed to be a song? Because that is funny. Hey, next video.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
No, listen.
You know that audio?
It's nothing.
You know
it's a Jet 2 holiday.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. So I love what they make this say, what we can get for $1,000? Nothing. Nothing. But I already starting to see prices adjust again, you know.
Look here, $972 for 2 sweet pepper.
Oh, you know a 72. Oh, you know a 972.
Because I see the picture in the supermarket.
Oh, no, you certain thing can't buy a supermarket in the IT.
Oh, you have to go in a market. Market.
You have to go down a curry.
Because I carry my baby and go to a market.
Y'all go market?
Mm-hmm.
So you can go today. Today is a good day. Because market day is Thursday, you know. Thursday is when all the produce
just
comes
fresh,
in.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I like Saturday. Why? Because by this time they're packing up to go back to country and the prices drop.
Let me tell you why you don't want to go market on a Saturday. Because when you go on a Saturday, you and everybody will have corporate work. We can't go on a Thursday or Friday. We're going to be there on the Saturday.
Oh,
Come on, man.
Yes. Strategy.
Come on, man.
Yes. On a Thursday when it's fresh.
Mm-hmm. You can go Thursday, Friday. Mm-hmm. Trust me. And hopefully we can buy more than nothing for $1,000.
$1,000. Next video.
Follow this chart. Customer asks for you. Check the inventory. Double check. Ask the chef. We not have that.
But what about for Uber?
I say, look at the chart.
So everything leads to we not have that.
Ah, yes, you get the point.
So what do I have?
I don't know you know, but me hate it.
What do you have?
I actually despise it. I despise poor customer experience. So I'm not laugh. I despise it.
The other thing too, when you go into a place for food, right, and they sell the same things every day, you go into KFC and you're looking on the menu. What you gonna say different? You're not gonna say goat or curried goat. It's the same thing. You're saying, let me swim. No, come on. You know what you're gonna. You know, is that 2 million or a big deal or you know. Come on.
Well, first of all, let me explain. I would need time to look at the menu.
Again?
Because I've not been or set foot into that establishment.
They don't sell chicken foot soup.
No, but IT, hear me good. If I don't eat KFC in the last 15 years,
yes.
I mean, need to go in a KFC, go buy something for somebody. Me don't know what they on the menu, IT. Me have to look good.
Okay, it's one thing Jamaicans know they on the menu, right, DJ?
Maybe you're looking to see what is in your budget.
What is in your, okay, or if you're buying a bucket, you know, or a meal. I get you.
Come on, man.
I get
you have to know if them have the biscuit or what. You have to know if the wings ready or what. You have to know if I only barbecue wings or them have the other. Come on, man.
All right. Next video.
Good night, everyone. Good night. This is hurrying. Somebody take my plate when me eat my food. I mean, I have stew peas, me have pork, me have cake in it. And I appreciate it when you just bring it back. I'll put it back on the table when I get it from. Me now go mad for the TV because of food. Because of my food, I'm me mad.
Because of my food, I'm me mad.
Hey, you know, like you go to the big staff function, microphone check. A cup of soup is missing at the soup stand. Can you please return the cup of soup? And those who are guilty of removing the cup of soup, if you do not return the cup of soup, the function will be...
But here's my question. If the food is returned, would you eat it?
Nope.
Right. Because you don't know what was done to the plate of food.
Yeah. You know, I can't walk away from a meal and don't cover it. It's like a
make me nervous.
Yeah, it's like, you know, I have to be there. Once I leave, I have to cover it.
You know, it also makes me nervous.
Even if I'm having dinner with you and you walk away, I have to cover your meal.
What do you cover it with?
I ask for a cover. You know, if it's a restaurant, I say, give me another plate or I don't want those, you know.
What makes me nervous is when you, like in a buffet line, and you see everybody talking.
Oh, why?
Nervous!
Why?
Shh, be quiet. It's a quiet zone. No talking.
That is so true.
Next video, please. Shh.
tell you something. That's why I say the finish. Watch the finish. The songwriter say, watch the finish. Because I stop me, I say, where is this going? But you see, when you see, and I don't eat pork. You know, it's not my thing. But when I see the finish, I tell you, say, it
pork look juicy still.
Pork look juicy. You know what I mean?
I see.
The pork, no,
so you're fried when you realize you're salivating.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Because when I said the pepper on it and thing, no, people, no, like you.
I see.
A very good morning to all my Rastafarians, you know. I know.
You gonna taste the ham over Christmas?
No. Listen.
All right, well.
It wasn't funny, but it looked tasty.
Hey, me literally see you got some.
Yeah.
At least 2 times.
No, it looked tasty.
Like you're salivating.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's all the time for R to the E to the A to the C to the T React. Sponsored, of course, by KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Stick around. We head to Mexico for...
No, we're not going to Mexico just yet. We're going to go to Mexico later on.
Oh,
but
man.
Right now, we're going to news.
I was trying to just confuse the enemy. I was trying to confuse the enemy. You were going to make me delay eating? Do we have to take news? Okay, fine. We're going to go to news. I was trying to go straight for breakfast.
You know, can I tell Yenny's a foodie? She's a foodie.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Who said that?
Yeah.
New cheesy jalapeno Whopper combo for only $1,350. The time by Burger King is.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.
How would you like a brand new home by 2027? You and VMBS can make it happen with iSave. Every $25,000 you save with iSave earns an entry to win cash or a new home of your own. All while seeing your balance grow and grow. The more you save, the more entries you get. And every entry has a chance to win a brand new home of your own. Keep saving monthly. Every deposit brings you closer to the grand prize home. VM, I say, is the key to winning.
Burger King. Holla me, holla yo, holla way. Follow me and holla for the new cheesy jalapeno Whopper from BK. Hata afa we say new cheesy jalapeno Whopper make we talk in a gypsy. Well a pot, me I forget the new BK cheesy jalapeno Whopper. Holy but spicy jalapenos and creamy cheese sauce. Get the combo with fries and drinks for $1,350. Holla me, holla yo, holla way. Follow me and holla for the new cheesy jalapeno Whopper from BK. It's the new BK cheesy jalapeno Whopper from Burger King.
The rivalry is back and the stakes are sky high. This December, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls storm into London to face England's Vitality Roses in a 2-match Horizon Netball Series showdown. And we're bringing every second to you live on CVM. On Saturday, December 13 and Sunday, December 14, cheer on the Sunshine Girls as they defend their dominance. Match time, 9 a.m. 2 teams. Battered but not broken. Feel the speed, the energy, the fire. Sunshine Girls versus Vitality Roses, live from the Copper Box Arena. See it happen only on CVM TV and CVMTV.com.
Welcome to Morning News. I am Ronaldo Adams. Concerns are mounting in Western Jamaica about the reopening of schools despite several institutions still housing residents displaced by Hurricane Melissa. Stakeholders are warning that mixing classroom activities with emergency shelter operations could put students at risk and disrupt the learning environment. Our reporter Akeem Oret has been following the situation in the West and now tells us more.
Schools across West Jamaica are being asked to reopen their doors to accommodate students, but for many administrators, that instruction comes with a major uncertainty as several campuses across the parish remains crowded with families who are displaced by Hurricane Melissa. Now, while the ministry has instructed that schools that can be reopened should be reopened, stakeholders say that transition is unsafe.
It's a dangerous sort of arrangement because you are literally putting the students in harm's way, especially if it is that there are no strong, robust monitoring mechanism.
Parliamentary Secretary of the Ministry of Education, Marlon Morgan, says all hurricane victims must be relocated before students are returned to the classroom.
The policy of the ministry is that where schools have resumed or have reopened, while shelterees are still occupying the schools, the shelterees are to be situated in a designated area, and there ought to be no contact with the student population, certainly, and the movement of those persons are to be, appropriately managed so that the ordinary to and fro of students and, of course, the school as it opens itself for teaching and learning is not disrupted, or at least interaction is kept at a minimum.
Now, while stakeholders are raising concerns, Mayor of Falmouth, Colin Gager, says the local government ministry is making preparations to relocate those who are at the shelter.
We identify the site where the temporary building should be housed. It will be done in a container basis. I think he has identified 4 of these containers. They will be coming down as early as we are expecting them to be here, even now, because I know all the arrangement was made, paid for, and they should be close by Victoria Street, where we will have these 4 containers.
Reporting for CVM News, I am Akeem Oret.
And in sports, Urban Area champions Kingston College go in search of the Consolation Walker Cup beginning next Wednesday as they face St. Jago in the opening round at Stadium East at 2 p.m. Reigning Walker Cup champions Mona High are also in search of silverware and face St. George's College at 4:15 in the second match of the twin bill. Waterhouse Mini Stadium is also hosting a doubleheader with Tivoli Gardens facing Wolmer's Boys at 2 p.m. and St. Catherine High and Campion College doing battle at 4:15. In the rural area Ben Francis Cup, Garvey Maceo receive a first round bye. Ocho Rios High are up against Old Harbour High at Drax Hall, while Manchester welcome William Knibb to their school grounds and Manning's School play host to Magotty High. All matches kick off at 3 p.m. The Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League is set to resume this weekend following the break caused by the passage of Hurricane Melissa, with 6 major match day 10 fixtures scheduled across Sunday and Monday. On Sunday, December 7, 4 games kick off simultaneously at 3 p.m. at the Dunbeholden Sports Complex. Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA make their trip to face Dunbeholden, who will be aiming to dampen the visitors' momentum. Over at Ferdinand Park, Portmore United host Arnett Gardens in one of the standout clashes of the round, while Harbourview return to the compound for the first time this season to take on Spanish Town Police, who remain at the bottom of the table. The feature broadcast match takes place at the Stadium East complex, where Racing United welcome Malines United in what is expected to be a fast-paced technical showdown. Match day 10 continues on Monday night with a double-header at Stadium East at 5 p.m. as defending champions Cavalier face a stern challenge from league leaders Montego Bay United, led by the league's top marksman Jordan Fletcher. Then, at 7:30 p.m., Kingston rivals Tivoli Gardens and Waterhouse meet in a highly anticipated derby to close out the round. The JPL also confirmed that Treasure Beach FC's fixture has been postponed, with the club granted additional time to complete restart preparations after suffering major damage from Hurricane Melissa. They are expected to return to action on December 21, 2025. And that's it for morning news. Join us again at noon for more news and sports desks. I am Ronaldo Adams. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after this.
What do you girl?
I feel stressed out. 2 months from my baby and a peer problem with breastfeeding. The baby not get enough milk like when I'm in at the hospital.
So why you never tell me?
I didn't even know. I not rest. A peer problem with breastfeeding. People keep on telling me something to give the baby bush tea and say it good for him. Then my friend them tell me say if I breastfeed, my breast are gonna drop.
No go so. At 5 I want me breastfeed. I don't know my breast them. No make nobody stress you out. Because if you're stressed, you're not going to produce enough milk. I better ask your nurse or your doctor. Me hear the matter about breastfeeding support with our clinic. Then teach the young mothers how to breastfeed properly. And take care of the picnic. Then teach our family to, you know.
I'm going to eat Friday when I go clinic.
And make sure you ask about the breastfeeding support group and join.
Thank you, Mommy. I don't know what me to do without you.
Breastfeeding is an act of love that bonds mothers and babies and provides mothers protection by lowering their risk of developing cervical and breast cancer. Breast is best. This is a message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
There's something special about our Jamaican people. Even through the toughest of time, you find a reason to smile. And here at Digicel, we take our inspiration from you. That's why we're partnering with every single Jamaican. We're gifting a smile to our brothers and sisters who need it most. So Christmas will look different this year. We're hitting the road, we're reconnecting with our customers, we're gifting a smile, and we're restoring hope. We are relentless, and we will never stop showing up for you.
Finance on CVM, you know.
But mums, you can't watch it on CVM website, man.
Greatness begins here.
All right, thank you so much for sticking with
Don't
us
say
here
anything. Because Yenda's gonna do all the eating because she's a foodie. So I will say thanks.
But you don't have to frighten me like that.
Thanks for sticking with us.
That's how we have to operate.
Here on Sunrise.
Anyways,
in the morning.
despite what I just said, let me tell you what's happening on the sunny side of TV. So Chilito's Jamexican rolls out its highly anticipated Jamexmas menu. You know that?
Jamexmas.
Come on now.
Yeah.
The menu features standout holiday specials such as the Christmas bowl, burrito, and quesadilla, all built around the sorrel glazed grace ham. You know who doesn't eat ham? Ighty, you know who just eats ham? Yendi, you know who's gonna eat the food? Yendi, you know who's not gonna taste Ighty. Well, they also have refried gungo peas. I love refried beans. You like refried beans?
I like refried beans.
I love gungo peas. They also have a bright pineapple salsa. Ooh, well, the managing director of Chilito's Jamexican restaurant, Christopher Box. He joins us now to share how the restaurant is blending Mexican creativity with beloved Jamaican Christmas traditions. Hi, Chris. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
And
Chris.
over to IT while I taste. I'm kidding.
I want to find out real quickly because, I mean, it could have been just Mexican food.
Yeah.
It could have been just Jamaican food.
But that'd be no fun.
Right. You know what I mean? Where you say, let's put it together. What was the inspiration behind it?
I mean, the inspiration is from the OGs. They were half Mexican, half Jamaican. Brought up in Jamaica with a Mexican mother, so they were naturally Jamexican. And then everything you see here comes from that.
Talk to us about reinventing this thing, because you guys could just say, we have our menu, people love our menu, they know what they love, right? But you said, no, it's Christmas. Let's put a spin on it. Let's
Yeah.
change up the menu a bit. Walk me through that.
So there's a lot of linchpins between Jamaican and Mexican culture, sorrel being one of them.
Yes.
I don't know if you know this, but in Mexico, they call it agua de Jamaica.
I
That's what
just
sorrel's
told
called.
Ida this story when we were making sorrel this
Really?
morning.
Yeah.
I remember I said to you when I went to Mexico, they had Jamaican tea and
so like
hibiscus tea.
and they love it there. They
Yes.
make their sorrel a little bit differently from us. So like ours is like, as you were saying before, like really rich with like spices, ginger, and nutmeg, and
Theirs
and
is more
clove.
like a brew
Theirs is more like
tea.
it's like a tea. It's very
Yes.
light. So what we do, we've combined that here. Yeah, and so like we drew an inspiration from the refried beans to make it with or Christmas gungo, to make it into a refried gungo, which is kind of like think of it like a Mexican vegetarian stew peas, but with gungo. So yeah, it's really rich, lots of thyme, lots of spices. Yeah,
I'm going to tell you how nice it is,
Oh,
Shirley.
good.
But I also realized that you guys made an adjustment to your drink menu.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Okay. Yeah, so this year we've partnered with Grace again, with the Tropical Rhythm. So we have 3 drinks on the menu.
Okay.
We have our standard sorrel margarita, which is, the heavily spiced sorrel. And then we have our very light fresco, which is I have right here. Which is more of a play on like a Mexican sorrel. And then the thing I'm really excited about is our shandy.
I think we're going to step out of the way so you can make it.
Oh, absolutely.
Come on, shift. Swap with Chris. He's going to make something for us here.
I'd love to make you guys our shandy. Now, our shandy is a really special drink. Actually, it was my grandmother's favorite drink growing up. Yeah, she loved to make some cola champagne with red stripe, actually. That was her drink of choice. Anyways, this one is partly inspired by her. So this is our sorrel concentrate that we make. So it's our in-house concentrate with Mexican flavors and Jamaican flavors combined with the Grace Tropical Rhythms here, right? And then we're going to combine that with a sorrel sparkling drink. All right. And then the last thing, the piece de resistance, is that we're going to drop in a little bit of Christmas spirit. And this is what makes it special, because it's a bit of a bomb.
Oh, you're literally dropping it in.
Yes.
Oh, that's crazy cool.
Yeah, and this is what you get at your table at Chilitos.
Oh, I am coming for one of those.
All right. And so this is the rest of the spread here. And if you guys want.
What else is there? I mean,
so,
walk me through the difference.
Sure. So this bowl gives you like a cross-section of all the specials that we have. So this is a roasted pineapple salsa. It's cut up, it's seasoned, and it's grilled and then made into a salsa. This is that refried gungo that we have, which is coconut milk and lots of thyme and ginger and scotch bonnet. And then this is the sorrel glaze Grace ham. So it's cubed and it's crisped up and then it's tossed with a sorrel glaze. And so what we have, these elements here.
Ham?
Hi.
You know, we could talk to the pigs and see what they are feeling like they are today, but
let me tell you actually exactly what kind it is.
But actually, what you could have if you're interested is that this is our dessert. So this is our sorrel cheesecake chimichangas. So it's the same sorrel concentrate that we have. It's mixed with a cheesecake filling, wrapped up in our house-made flour tortillas and fried, and then served with our sorrel glaze on the side. So it's sweet, not too sweet. And this is our burrito here. So this is all the elements that you see in the bowl. So it's a matter of, do you want it to have or do you want it to hold? It's a little, it's a little gift wrapped up for Christmas. Yeah.
That was actually really cool.
Thank you.
To have more to hold.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. I'm excited for you to try the gungo.
I'm telling you, I mean, it smells good. And you're going to tell me how it tastes.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah.
And this year we actually mixed it up.
I wouldn't lie to you.
Oh, thank you. This year we mixed it up. We also did a Christmas quesadilla. And I was thinking about people that actually don't want a big plate of food or a big burrito. They want something maybe a little more fun, a little more cheesy, and stuff like that. And the gungo with the cheese, it really works.
Well, let me find out.
So, all right. So okay.
Let's see if it works.
So where we come tomorrow? Tomorrow's my birthday, actually.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow, I'd love to have you.
This is still warm.
So 88 Hope Road is where we are.
88 Nasasia, 88 Hope Road. That's my daughter.
This is my favorite.
Yes. This was my favorite edition this year. I was really excited for it.
Oh my goodness.
It's good, right? And again, these are on our house-made flour tortillas. We make them ourselves. Yeah.
So that's to have and to hold. This is what now?
To nyam.
No, I love the innovation. I love the creativity.
Wait. This is sorrel.
Yeah, so this is a sorrel glaze. Oh my goodness. So this is the same glaze that's on the ham itself, but we serve it as a dipping sauce as well for the quesadilla.
You guys know me. You guys know me real well. You guys know I don't tell lies. Let me tell you something. If you've never had Mexican food a day in your life, if you've never been to Chilitos, order this. The quesadilla, it does not, oh my gosh. IT.
DJ, me know say you want come from behind the camera now. Patrick.
DJ, you want to taste it? DJ,
Sasha
you want to taste it? Hold on, look, let me take a bite for you.
Solidarity.
Patrick, you want to taste it? Here's your bite coming up.
Eat, food, you get the menu, you can select whatever it is. You know?
That's very good.
Place to be.
And it'll be available from now until probably sometime in January. You know, I feel like we must stretch out Christmas a little bit longer.
Yes,
I think we could all use a little extra joy right now. So
when all is said and done.
Wait a minute.
Oh yes, this is the Fresca.
The Fresca. And what you say in this
so
one?
this is our house-made sorrel in combination with tropical rhythms. And so on the rim there we have this is dried sorrel, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, just to give it a little bit of spice.
I'm telling you. It tastes so yummy.
Oh, that's yummy. And you know what made it yummy? I had to lick my lips after.
Yes.
So I got the little salt and the little, that's really nice.
Yeah, that's nice, right? Yeah. That's a good festivity to eat.
You know, I'm not hard to please, you know. Actually. No, Chris, you don't understand. You've made my entire day.
I'm really, really happy. Thank you.
I'm not a difficult girl. I'm just a girl living in a world that wants to eat nice food.
Well, here it is. It's here for you.
I love my work.
Yeah.
Listen, if you don't see on the other side of the break, you know, we're having a party up in here, an early party. Thank you so much
is lovely.
to our guest, Christopher.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me.
Mexican restaurant and the 88 Hope Road. That's all I'm going to say. More Sunrise after this. The end man, tell us it.
Hi to this nice bad. You and VMBS can make it happen with iSave. Every $25,000 you save with iSave earns an entry to win cash or a new home of your own, all while seeing your balance grow and grow. The more you save, the more entries you get, and every entry has a chance to win a brand new home of your own. Keep saving monthly. Every deposit brings you closer to the grand prize home. CVM iSave is the key to winning.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winford Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives. Absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. Issa Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. Even in times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport. Where it all begins, the quest to become great. Inspired by those who went before them, these 4 boys dream of playing in the ISSA schoolboy football competitions.
Will you score this for Casey? Will you score? It's a shot, it's a goal!
And it's a shot, and it's a goal! And KC has won the Manning Cup, and they will play Clarendon College in the Olivia Shield. And that's what you love to see. They may be rivals, but the camaraderie is what it's all about. Can't wait for the final.
When the bus them man, I want to watch my son play finals on CVM, you know.
But mums, you can't watch it on CVM website, man.
Score! My son score! My son score! My son score! My son score!
Greatness begins here.
The rivalry is back and the stakes are sky high. This December, Jamaica's Sunshine Girls storm into London to face England's Vitality Roses in a 2-match Horizon Netball Series showdown. And we're bringing every second to you live on CVM. On Saturday, December 13 and Sunday, December 14, cheer on the Sunshine Girls as they defend their dominance. Match time, 9 a.m. 2 teams, 2 battles, 1 island. Battered but not broken. Feel the speed, the energy, the fire. Sunshine Girls versus Vitality Roses, live from the Copper Box Arena. See it happen only on CVM TV and CVMTV.com.
How would you...
Welcome back to the show. Music is powerful. I say it all the time. It's true. It's always true. But Marley say, one good thing
about music?
When it hits you, feel no pain. That's not true, actually. Music can make you feel, yeah?
Yeah, no, but it's true, you know. Music can definitely affect your mood. It shifts your how you feel, for sure. Whether positive or negative. It's powerful, man. It is the universal language.
Absolutely. And it continues to be a pathway to healing and connection. So it's a way to restore hope and happiness with a message of remembrance, resilience, and rebuilding. That's what we're coming with this morning. Hailing from the parish of Montego Bay, recording
Parish
artists.
of
The parish of Montego Bay. Yeah, man.
No,
Montego
the
is a
parish
parish.
is St. James.
No, the parishes are Montego is a parish now. the city. Chanel Muir. John was encourage you to keep giving, keep caring, keep lifting one another as the country moves forward together, step by step, heart by heart. Welcome to Sunrise, Chanel.
Chanel, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's great to have you. Chanel, I feel like you're a morning person.
I am not.
Oh, wow. Well, then the Oscar goes to... Because Chanel, you never come in here crush up. You never come in here serious.
Yeah. I am excited to be here, and it's my first time here, so I have to make a good impression.
As I said, the Oscar goes to... I'm kidding.
Thank you.
Let us talk about... Before we even get into your new music and what you're doing now, let's talk about Chanel, the person, Chanel, the artist. Why music?
Why not music?
Yeah.
Music is definitely a part of me. It's deep within. It's so much grounded in who I am. It creates everything that I live from, both income-wise and both to live as a person.
Yeah.
If it wasn't music, I'm not sure what it would be other than just a regular business or something.
Yeah.
But I've been doing music even long before I could remember really singing or so. But being a songwriter came long afterwards. But music had to be everything.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You know, we talk about earlier, we mentioned that music will impact or affect your emotions, and
Yes.
sometimes you, not pain, but you may cry or smile or laugh.
Yeah, of course.
You put emotions into music. Talk to us about that feeling or that moment after Hurricane Melissa, where you say, you know, I'm feeling this and I'm going to express it in music.
Yes. Okay, so I put those emotions in my music because I literally experienced Hurricane Melissa. I was in Flankers Mobile at the moment. I had a view, because we're right across from the airport. So I had an open view of the damage that was happening in the moment. How from the sound of the wind whistling to the trees to zinc blowing at the tree and a slap around the trees, everything from house lift, the roof of housing lifting off to other people coming out, even in this hurricane, to secure things and stuff like that. So I've experienced hurricane before as a child, but this one was definitely, this was something completely different. Definitely not something I would want to experience again, you know, but to see the aftermath, it was very devastating. So there were mixed emotions. There was these emotions of not knowing but experiencing, and then the emotions of being saddened. And you know, when you haven't experienced something, for example, I didn't lose a house or roofing, and you see someone else enduring that pain, even knowing that they may already have a difficult life, that can be very sad. And it triggers emotions for me as well. So to put all those things in, or my emotions, to put it in my music, I definitely tried my best to do that with Awaken. And I do hope that when, you know, they listen to it, they can find hope regardless of the situation.
You know what's interesting is you spoke about the sound.
Yes.
And there are so many people who speak about never hearing anything that sounded like that and how traumatizing the sound was. But then I think about, okay, Shaniel speaks about the sound, but she's offered a sound to her listeners.
Yes,
she's offered something. You've given this as an offering to those who are grieving and hurting. How does one go in the booth, having experienced what you have, having seen what you have, knowing that you want to offer this to your listeners, how do you create in that space without just pouring out your whole raw heart, soul, emotion, everything in that?
I think that has a lot to do with working with producers and the beat in itself. Because when you listen to a beat, for me, it speaks to you. And then it allows you to create, to speak back to it. So it's working together with the creativity and the creative space of both you and the producer and the music. So when I listened to the beat that was given to me by Damage Music, he was actually played 3 of them. What I was feeling or what I wanted to pour out didn't ignite with the first 2 beats that he played, but the third one, and when I listened to it, I'm like, okay, I don't know what the words are going to be yet, but I eat this, I eat. I don't know what I'm going to say, but I eat this. But feel it like I eat this. So it felt like when I was listening to it, I was like, okay, the emotions that I'm feeling, it's resonating with this specific beat. And when I started to remember the situation and remember how I felt, I was like, okay, once the beat is right, the words will flow. So I started first with the hook, because once you have the hardest part for me is always the hook, because it's something that you can imagine there are millions of songs out there. So to always create something different other than the millions of songs out there, it's a task. So but once you want, especially music that's emotional, it definitely kind of comes easy for me because it's emotional, it's relatable. It's easy for me to really put that out there, other than just being super creative with a funny music or something like that. But putting those words together, it came after a while, after the repetition of the beat, just listening and putting the emotions and the lyrics together. It definitely it was a task, but
I'm looking at the footage on the screen and I literally have goosebumps looking at the footage. The images that we're seeing, because you've already obviously created the video, the music video for it, but the images are one thing. But there was a shot there, I don't know if our producer can just find it for me again, where the map of Jamaica is outlined around you. Yes. And I'm seeing the threads cascade down the chairs. That make my pores then rise up in the icy. How do you, I know you can, so as a dancer, when I hear music in movement, meaning I hear the sound, but I see movement to it. When you hear this song, there's a shot there, it's on your screen right now, just pull that back up. When you hear your song and you've written your song, do you see the imagery that you want for your music video as you're going in to create a full picture of this creative process?
Most times, yes. But I have to give credit to Shane Creative. His name is exactly what it needs to be. He is very, very... Yes, that was him and his team. It was amazing.
That's
awesome. It was amazing.
Watch here again. Whoa. That is.
It was amazing.
The center.
He was called on very quickly, so it wasn't something that he had time to really plan and execute, but he did execute. Shane Creative. Big up.
Awesome. For those who watching and listening us talk about the song, what's the name of the song? Title of the song?
This song is called Awaken.
Awaken.
But you know you can't come here and not give us something. I'm just saying.
That's to be do.
or you've piqued our interest and our senses are awakened. So we're ready to hear Awaken.
Absolutely.
So listen, when I say stick and stay, I mean it.
And this you mean this time?
This I mean stick and stay. Don't go anywhere because we'll be right back.
Our amazing guest has been recording artist Chanel Muir, and she's going to be blazing up the Sunrise stage with her new song after the break, so please do not go anywhere. As a matter of fact, tell you this, I know is this you want me to ask her. She not go just do the one song. Watch this. I go work on her. Might have 1 song, 2 song, 3 song. As a matter of fact, we don't need no show. Chanel show! Stick and stay.
By 2027, you and VMBS can make it happen with iSave. Every $25,000 you save with iSave earns an entry to win cash or a new home of your own. All while seeing your balance grow and grow. The more you save, the more entries you get, and every entry has a chance to win a brand new home of your own. Keep saving monthly. Every deposit brings you closer to the grand prize home. VM iSave is the key to winning.
Yeah man, this is Nadine Sutherland, cause we triumphant, because we not stay down, we not go down, stop one like we are cause we triumphant. Yeah, this is Nadine Sutherland, big it up Rockers TV with Urchin.
We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives, displacement, and in some cases, absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. ISA Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. Even in times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport. We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives, displacement, and in some cases, absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. ISA Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. Even in times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's at this point I'm going to hand over to my lovely co-host, IT, to give you the introduction of a lifetime. IT.
When I say show, you say time. Show,
time.
Show, time. When I say time, you say show. Time,
sure.
I'm talking about the wonderful, delectably, delightful voice, the melodious sound of Sneal Muir. Brace yourself. Are you ready? Inside a Sunrise studio, we present to you Sneal Muir.
Oh yeah. It's morning. Music. On solid ground. Faith unbroken. Together we are stronger now. Arms wide open. Under skies of storm and rain, eyes are pouring. But we'll see brighter days. We are chosen. Show love, show your heart. We can save the world together, step by step, bit by brick. We'll get through the storm together. Show love, show your heart. We can save the world together, step by step, brick by brick. We'll get through it all. We'll get through the storm. This begins with us. Togetherness reveals the love. Where the shape of hope will grow. Through the pain or strength we shall not get. We don't got no let we go. Even now we need you more. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High will be saved. We pray. Don't worry. Keep your faith. Oh yeah, yeah. We pray. Don't worry, yeah. Keep your faith. Keep your faith. Show love. Show heart. We can save the world together, step by step, brick by brick. We'll get through the storm together. Show love, show heart. We'll get through step by step, brick by brick. We'll get through it all. We'll get through it all.
So I can't leave, I'm not the original, you don't know? It's a real top girl Chanel Muir, and one thing I know, me never born in a lace wig, and me still shop at DDs, and me still shop at no go certain places. Me a girl, me no frying for link, and me no frying for young girl, no fi careless. And if I know your size, don't wear it. And if I know your price, don't claim it. You ain't the buy where money can buy, put some in our savings. Woman fi have confidence. And you feel learn to depend on yourself. Do your little 9 to 5, me darling. Can't let you check for Friday, man. Hey, as somehow no don't use. Them rather buy here before them buy. Sit down in a man car before you put your kids before you. Hey, well, what a good thing we no live to impress people. And I too will never ever live to impress people. Yeah, I know CVM, we don't live to impress people. Oh, yeah, but does I live my life? A talent over high. Me not spend me rent in a no party. Me not buy patron if me don't have a pot. Right now me div on a say 40. Say them a real hot gal and them stove now. Watch a one your man clown antenna. Or them gal they a real yama bella. He bun me for them, can't stand for say them. Your man them under one umbrella. So what a good thing we no live to impress people. And I will never ever live to impress people. Yeah, them know say me no live to impress people. Oh yeah, me just a live my life. A talent over high. Me say no one can kick nor box me. Before my beg a gal and drive me, rather go boom taxi. Oh, dirty and fi come stop me. Me rather go on like my blind, rather go on like my stop see. You know some bless and me active. Me full of subject, me attractive. How you know see set up gal reenacted. A Jamaica my born, yeah, my style no adapted. Cause we no live to impress people. I will never know, and I will never ever live to impress people. Yeah, CVM, you know we don't live to impress people. No, me just a live my life. A talent over high. Me not spend me rent in a no party. Now I'm buy patron if me don't have a yendi. You know so we know, yeah. One thing I know. One thing me know, yeah. Me just a live my life, a talent over hype. Cause I will never ever live to impress people. Yeah, Yendi will never ever live to impress people. No, yeah. You know we don't live to. That is it.
As an artist.
Mosquito that spreads the Zika, chikungunya, and dengue viruses. Search for its breeding sites and destroy them.
A message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
The time by the Ministry of Health and Wellness is 7:45.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
We are back. Yes, we are back. After 37 days, schoolboy football is back, but under different circumstances. Far different circumstances.
The confirmed death toll from Hurricane Melissa has climbed to 45.
The destruction Hurricane Melissa left in her wake is undeniable. The disruption of lives, displacement, and in some cases, absolute desperation were palpable. But in the midst of despair, it is sport which can provide an escape. Hope can shine brightly even after the gloom of disaster has brought darkness. And that hope can be found in the teamwork, community, and camaraderie built through sport. ISA Schoolboy Football is aiming to lift the nation's student athletes and the wider Jamaica out of the perils they face after the storm. times of struggle, the Jamaican spirit of resilience will continue to shine through sport.
All right, welcome back to Sunrise. So we're live in Kingston, Jamaica, and it's now time for a little fun rise free zone. So there's no Christmas quite like a Jamaican Christmas, right? And what's a Jamaican Christmas without a little festive jugglings? Yeah, and a little jingle, you know, so we say jingle in Jamaica. Well, in this free zone, we'll put our creativity and our Christmas spirit to the test. And Chanel is supposed to be our judge, but
I'm the judge.
Me feel like
I'm the judge.
I should be the judge and make I tell Chanel go up against each other. What do you say, little judgment? Well, all we're going to do is just get a little festive, instrumental, rhythm type of thing. And what we have to do is come up with an original Christmas song.
Original?
On the spot, you know. Clever lyrics, playful harmonies, unexpected comedic moments. He's the only IT can give me that.
Let me tell you something. Ninja Man, you build up lyrics on this. Is that talent? That's
It's a gift, you know.
It's a gift.
You know, one of the best I've seen do it, honestly. You know, Bungie Garlin.
Yeah.
That's out of Trinidad.
Yeah.
And one of the craziest freestyle acts I've ever seen. The man on stage and him freestyle about people right in front of him. So you know, so him really couldn't go and go practice. No, man.
Disclaimer. I'm a songwriter, people. I'm not a freestyle artist. So I'm a try a thing, but
Also, disclaimer, people. I'm not an artist or a songwriter or a freestyler. Me's a girl with do TV. I'm cook for my children.
I don't live to impress people.
Bap.
Hey, that's plagiarism. Who for lyrics you see? All right.
So
give us the jingle. Give us, what name of the rhythm?
A rhythm shop?
Let's go.
My word.
Let me hear the juggling. Oh, we're doing a cappella? I'm just kidding.
A cappella what?
Oh, here we go. Oh, IT's so ready. Oh, he's so ready.
Like this.
Yeah. Oh.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Come along. You know. If you're happy and you know it, sing my song. If you're happy and you know it, sing my song. Sing it, cha-la-la-la-la, Christmas, cha-la-la-la-la. If you're happy and you know it, sing along. On the spot.
Give me this.
On the spot.
Wait, but I don't know, but I can't do this bridge. Yeah. So we're gonna have to either pull it up or something. Cause me that's an R&B artist. All right. Here comes Christmas one and all. We're gonna have a fa-la-la-la time.
Fa-la-la-la time.
Why are you interrupting my song? Why are you interrupting my song? You so bad time. Okay, here we go. Here comes Christmas one and all. We're gonna have a fa-la-la-la time. Here comes Christmas one and all. You and me, we have a nice time. Here comes Christmas one and all. We're gonna dance and juggle and ball. Here comes Christmas one and all. La 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 la. That was terrible.
No, it's fun.
I can do worse. Oh, she wants to do worse.
Yeah, put them, come.
She said, I don't want to be the judge.
Put them, I love the party.
She said, get me in the game.
Yeah.
We have to start this over.
Pull up.
You have to pull this up.
Actually, let me help you. IT, sorry, pass that for me, please. 1 second, pause. Pass that. Right here, so. Yeah. Come, Chanel, right here, so. And just say,
level. What you say?
Pull that up.
Pull it up.
Yeah.
Watch them, I have myself enough, I'm come flop. Jingle bell, me and IT in the day, everything is well on CVM. Me mother people!
Talk, man.
Sure, we must stop.
IT, so do a line of yours. Then I do a line of mine. Then Chanel does. Ready? Here we go.
If you're happy and you know it, sing my song. If you're happy and you know it, sing along.
On the rhythm, IT.
On the rhythm, this?
No, you have to do on the go now. If you're happy and you know it, sing my song.
Yeah.
If you're happy and you know it, sing along. Singing sha-la-la-la-la, Christmas sha-la-la-la-la. If you're happy and you know it, sing along.
It is. Christmas come, we have a nice time. Fa la 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 la, we have a nice time. Christmas come, we have a nice time. Fa la 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 la, we have a nice time.
So give me it back now. All right.
Them girl they really my bella. Them girl they really my bella. Them girl they really my bella. Them a go buy beginning of the Christmas and do. Yes.
Whatever that was.
Yeah, we are a wonderful team.
Yeah.
No, just
we're a wonderful team. I like
you know, so we couldn't go JCDC though.
No, I think we would have lose, you know.
Judges. Judges are deliberating now. And they're going to come back with a score. Listen, have fun with yourself, look in the mirror, dance, make up monkey face of yourself, laugh at yourself,
Actually,
trust me.
Can we see let's see the face you make in the mirror that you're talking about. Look at that.
Listen, we're going to be up next with a morning rap. So you can say, go on, Yendi, go on, Yendi.
One artist,
go on,
Chanila artist, Chanila artist, one artist, Chanila artist.
And you a dancer, and you a dancer. I dig it. One dancer, one dancer, one dancer. Go Yendi, go Yendi. All right, I take your turn.
You're a dancer, she are the singer, me are the joker.
Yeah.
Chanila, and it's really pushing on you.
We don't live to impress people. Live to impress people. I will never no. To impress people.
Where it all begins. The quest to become great. Inspired by those who went before them, these four boys dream of playing in the ISA schoolboy football competitions.
Will you score this for Casey? Will you score? It's a shot, it's a goal!
And it's a shot, and it's a goal! And KC has won the Manning Cup, and they will play Clarendon College in the Olivia Shield. And that's what you love to see. They may be rivals, but the camaraderie is what it's all about. Can't wait for the final.
When the bus the man, I want to watch my son play finals for CVM, you know.
But mums, you can't watch it on CVM website, man.
My son score, my son score, my son score, my son score.
Greatness begins here.
Listen, real TV. We're live on TV. We told you that in the breaks, some things happen that are not recorded, but maybe we should record them and show you them. It's an idea.
Yes. Yeah. Shout out to Karen Booker, our very creative designer for our Christmas festive set. Thank you so much. Also, for all your Christmas decor inspo and hacks, please check out Karen Booker at Karen Design Diva Booker or call 876-421-6298.
Yeah, it's an early bird.
Early bird?
Show me how early bird dance go.
Say less. Thought you'd never ask.
Yeah. Early bird, early bird, early bird, early bird, early bird tickets on sale. Early bird tickets, Christmas comedy cook up on sale today. Listen, I have an amazing weekend. Remember, every time I say it, it's true. I believe it. God without man is still God. But man without God, nothing, nada, vapor, wind, this, that.
Have a wonderful weekend. We love and appreciate you.
Confidence. Me darling. on Friday morning. Use conscience. My bed. Big stink in your bed. We don't live to impress people.